buddy here.
Got one part in.
Bought himself a new grill.
Oh, you just told everyone what it was, bro.
Kenzie.
What the heck is that?
There it is.
There it is, Bilsif. The old Booner Randu news. Typical.
Yeah.
Yeah, your typical Dodgy grill.
Sure didn't all scratched out. I don't like how that's flat black on the inside, though.
I don't like how those are silver. Those are way cooler if it was black.
That's chrome.
Silver.
Chrome.
Polished.
Chrome.
Polished.
Not black.
Buddy's gay merch. Gotta be quicker than that.
But I get there when I'm done with this.
Unreal.
You had to go for a little jog.
Naturally. Alright, well.
You can take it out at least. You can paint it.
Yeah.
Where'd
Where'd one of these screws go?
They're gone.
What's in here?
For what? Naturally?
This side.
You mean this big one right here?
Yeah.
It's not in there.
No shit.
Where's it at? Oh, it's right there. Hey, I found it.
Oh, it's broke.
Of course it is.
One
Why
of the
wouldn't it
tabs
be?
are already broke.
Naturally.
What do you like
Literally
it?
did.
What do you like it?
Oh, man. Take a picture of that and
It's life.
send it to the customer support.
Yeah, we're gonna keep this fucker.
Oh, I'm still gonna try and put it in.
Oh, we're still keeping it regardless, even if they want it back. But we're gonna sell it for 150 bucks.
This one was actually pretty cheap. It was only 105 bucks or something.
Yeah,
but
we're gonna make
you can
45
see-
bucks on
You
it.
can see why it's 105 bucks.
Well, we're about to make 45 on top of that with a broken screw.
It's all right. All right, well, let's go try and fucking put this thing in and see what looks like.
Correct.
So we can show them these bolts. Get it up there on the nuts and bolts. Again.
These little nutties right here.
They're a little rusty.
Boot
So we went and
scoop
got some PV blaster.
Little
Let that
penetration.
soak for a sec, but it's a 5/16. If anyone's wondering, it's a 5/16 little ratchet. You know, one of these.
Little red shoes.
Little fast boy. How many's on here? We got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 of them you got to take out. The top 6 are nuts, and then the bottom 6 are bolts. These ones are pretty rusted. And then we noticed this too. It's pretty. I don't even know if you can see it or not. It's kind of a shade in the background. Yeah, it's pretty. This is pretty rotted out on just this one spot, but you can take it out and replace it. So I'm gonna look for one of those and see if we can replace that.
If you buy one of these grills, it comes with a kit too.
Comes with a kid?
Yeah, check it out.
Oh, yeah. This grill's 104 bucks. You can get a kid with it too. So we're gonna see if we can keep the grill and return the kid. You know, we got enough of them little rug rats running around here. I'll put a link in the description, but that was 104.99, so 105 buckaroonies. 105 buck. My fear with this thing though is no, not even that. With how open it is, you know, the mesh. I'm hoping that we don't see. I don't want to see all this shit back there. I don't want to see all these rails. You know, the mounting rails.
Oh, the middle one you will.
And then I also don't want to see how nasty this condenser looks either. I don't want to see all these bees and shit that we keep
The
hitting.
center one you'll see. That's how you're fucking.
And that condenser you'll see.
Look at that. Sprayed some nice blaster on there, so we'll take it to the car wash
Unless you
after.
put a different mesh there.
We're gonna let this dry, and we'll start unscrewing stuff and get our hook up.
Facing you. Go ahead, suction cover the bottom of it.
This has got everything. Why'd you take the
That shit won't come off.
Wait, I'm not supposed to kill my leg yesterday.
Are you holding it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna force you to play with this.
I wasn't.
No, she was recording it.
I wanted to hold it right now.
She can have her baby.
I Ironically, the one that was broke off on the new one was kind of fucked up on the other side too.
Yeah.
All right, boys, we got it in. Looks pretty cool. You definitely get what you pay for, though. That's for sure. This one right here was broke off, so thankfully I hoard shit. So I had that clip, and then I had a bolt that went in it, so I just ended up driving it in myself. But the ones off that came on the truck, wow, look at that one. That one got loose already. We gotta tighten these up. I think when we tightened that side, it probably pulled this side.
Yeah.
So we'll tighten that back up. But every single one of these, none of them fit off the OEM truck or off the OEM grill. So I had to go in the shed and find a bunch of these bolts. And these, none of these fit either. So I had to go and get all basically I had to get all the hardware to fit, make all this fit. So I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I definitely don't advise buying this one. So spend the money and get a nice one that actually fits right. It looks pretty cool.
Decent.
Decent, buddy.
Decent.
Decent.
Yeah.
Did you put lights there now?
We got some more stuff coming in too. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You just have to wait and find out.